To page number 46 in your textbook, children. Okay, that is a word problem. Okay, activity 6. Activity 6 is what? Word problem is there. So you have to do, children. Activity 6. See, first sum. You have to copy question from your textbook, children. Okay. See, first question is what? See, first question is Raju gave 5 by 12 of his property to his wife and 1 by 6 to his daughter and the remaining to his son. What part of Raju's property did his son receive? Okay, Raju give for his wife how much, children? Raju give 5 by 12 of his property to his wife. Raju give to his wife. Okay, Raju give to his wife how much? His wife 5 by 12. Okay. For daughter, Raju give to his daughter how much? 1 by 6. For son we have to find. For his son we don't know. We have to find out how much is give. So 5 by 12 minus 1 by 6, children. So you know that for the different denominator is there. You can find the LCM also and you can do like that. Otherwise I said no, 5 by 12 multiply with the other fraction of the denominator 6. Okay. Minus again 1 by 6 multiply with the other fraction of the denominator 12. Okay. So 5 6 are 30. 12 6 are 72 minus 1 12 are 12. 6 12 are 72. Okay. Then that is 30 minus 12 by 72 is how much, children? 30 minus 12 means 30 minus 12 is how much, children? 18. See, here borrow 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 18 by 72. Now simplify, that is 9 2s are 18. 9 8s are 72. Again it will go 2 1s are 2 4s are. That is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. See, what part of Raju's property did his son receive? His son received 1 by 4th of his property. Okay. Therefore, Raju's son received 1 by 4. Okay. Raju's son received how much? 1 by 4. Okay. Next, second one. Rani wants to see the question, children, in your textbook. Rani wants to buy a book worth of rupees 100. She has rupees 25 2 by 4 with her. How more money does she need to buy the book? Okay, Rani wants to buy a book of worth is how much? Rupees 100. But she had only rupees 25 2 by 4. So how more money does she need to buy the book? Okay. Rani has how much money? Second question, children. Okay. Rani had rupees 25 2 by 4. So you have to buy the book is how much? She wants to buy the book of rupees 100. Okay, so what you will do? 100 minus 25 2 by 4. Okay, now what you will do, children? 100 minus, think that is 1. Okay, 100 by 1 minus 25 4s are 100. Okay, see in working column 25 into 4 is how much? 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, plus 2 is 100. So 100 plus 2 is 102 by 4. So you know that you have to multiply with the other fraction. Okay. So 100 into 4. See, 100 into 4 by 1 into 4 minus 102 into 1 by 4 into 1. That is equal to 400. 100 4s are 400 by 4 minus 102s are 1s are 102 by 4. So 400 minus 102. See, that is equal to 400 minus 102 by 4. So how much, children, that is? 400 minus 102, go for working column and minus 102. So here 3, this will become 10, then 9, 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 0 is 9, 3 minus 298, 298 by 4. So you know that in ones place 8 is there, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18. That is equal to 149 by 2. That is, from 2 you divide 149. Okay. So 2 7s are 14. Now take down 9. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So how much that is? That is equal to 74 1 by 2. Okay. So Rani, how much more money she need to buy the book? She need 74 rupees, 74 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, she need money rupees 74 1 by 2. Okay, children. Now, third one. Okay. Third question in your textbook, children, that is Mohan jumped 5 meters in a long jump and his classmate Sona jumped 15 by 8 and less than the Mohan. How long was Sohan's jump? Okay, see, third question is what? Mohan jumped how much? Mohan jumped 5 meters. Mohan jumped long jump 5 meters. Okay. So Sona jumped 15 by 8 meters less than a Mohan. Okay. So Sohan jumped less than Mohan how much? 15 by 8. Okay. 15 by 8. So what you will do, children? 5 meter minus, see, 5 meters minus 15 by 8 meters. Okay, that is think as 1. So 5 by 1 multiplied by 8. Okay, 5 by 1 multiplied by 8 minus 15 multiplied by 1 and 8 into 1. That is equal to 8 5s are 40 by 8 minus 15 1s are 15, 8 1s are 8. That is equal to 40 minus 15 is how much, children? 25, no? 25 by 8. That is equal to, from 8 you divide 25. So what? 8 3s are 24. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 0. That is 3 1 by 8. 3 1 by 8. So how long was Sona's jump? Sona's jumped 3 1 by 8. Okay. So Sona jumped 3 1 by 8 meters. Okay, children. Next is fourth one. A vessel had 4 1 by, fourth question from your textbook. A vessel had 4 1/4 liters of milk. Out of it, cat drink 3/8 of liters. So how much milk was left in the vessel? Okay, a vessel had how much? A vessel had milk 4 1/4. Okay, a cat drink milk how much? Milk is how much? A cat drink milk is how much, children? 3/8 liter. Okay, 3/8 liters. So liters. Okay, so milk had how much? 4 1/4 minus 3/8. That is 4 4s are 16. 17/4 minus 3/8. That is 17. 17/8 multiply with the 8. Okay. Then minus 3/8 multiply with the 4. Okay. Take the next page, children. 17 8s are how much, children? So you know that 8 7s are 56. 5 carry 8 1s are 8. 17 into 8. 8 7s are 56. 5 carry 8 1s up means 136 minus how much that one? 3 4s are how much? 3 4s are 12. Then 8 4 into 8, children. Sorry, I written here 8 into 8. That is 17/4 is, that is 4 into 8. Okay, 4 into 8. 8 4s are 32. Okay, denominator are same now. 32. Here also 32. That is equal to, that is 136 minus 12 means 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 1/32. Okay, children. So in ones place 2 and here is 4 is there. So it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. Carry 1. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. Again it will go from 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. So that is 31/8. So from 8 you divide 31. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So I will go for the back table. 8 3s are 24. So 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. That is equal to 37/8. So what they are asking? How much milk was left? Therefore, milk left is 3/7/8 liters. Okay, children. Now, next, this addition, fraction in addition and subtraction is over. Next, we can do the multiplication of fraction. Okay, next we are going to study multiplication of fractions. That is coming to page number 47 in your textbook. That is activity 7. Okay, children. So, I will write the heading multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction. Okay, children. So that is activity 7. Before that, remember, a fraction into a whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction into whole number by denominator of the fraction. See, for example, they given, see, activity 7 I will do. Activity 7. Okay, children. See, first main is what? Multiply. So, they given multiply 1/3 into 5. What they given? Fraction and whole number they given. 1/3 multiply by 5. So, what you had to do? A fraction into whole number. Okay, formula is there, no? Fraction into whole number.